Hello, today I'm going to go over my psychedelic unicorn. This work was done for a Magical Unicorn collaboration, and the theme was psilocybin mushroom. I was painting under UV lights and using UV paints. Out of A5 paper I made a cone and glued it on with liquid latex. Next I painted two pairs of lips and I made them open so I can then add some steam coming out of it. I'm doing it two colors. I made the split cakes myself. I already made a video about my neon paints, but I didn't include my split cakes because I thought that can be done in a separate video. Let me know if you're interested and I might do a video of my neon one strokes at some point. So here I'm doing two kind of motions. The steam one is going upwards and the wave ones are coming down, so they are kind of going down my face. So purple and green are going upwards together with orange and red, and all the green ones going downwards. I have already added white to the top of my lips and now I'm filling in the space underneath, so this way I emphasize the white teeth at the top. Now I'm outlining everything and doing the same kind of motion upwards if I'm doing the steam or smoke, and all the other waves are going down. I think it's very important to make different pressure on lines so it looks more interesting. After I finished outlining, I'm starting to add shadows to all the areas behind the steam. And I also add some shadows underneath each wave. I prepared some mushrooms before, so I'm just gluing them on with the latex and adding dots to them as well as to my face, so they collaborate with each other and look like a part of my face as well. As you noticed, I've got already two different kind of lenses and I've got them from Pastel Dreams UK. This is, by the way, not sponsored. I just love this shop and they also got amazing deals. This is my design complete. I hope you liked it. If you enjoyed watching my videos and like my channel, please click like, comment or share my video with your friends. And see you very soon in my next tutorial. Bye!